All right, guys, so I want to give you the lowdown on this new COSORI Air Fryer that I've tried. After having a couple of major brands burn out on me, we use these a ton in our house, have a couple of kids, so we're always using the air fryer for quick meals. The basket is huge. It's about 10 inches by 10 inches, just under 10 by 10, and can fit a ton of things. Also has a ton of settings to it: air fry, bake, reheat, you can see. And the design of the basket itself is really cool because the little piece you see in the bottom comes out and makes it easy to wash, which I'll show you later. This is a fresh dough pizza I'm making in here, pan pizza, and max temp 400, and we throw it in there, and just about 10 minutes later, we pop it out, and here we go. We have Detroit style pizzas made in the air fryer. We do a ton of things like tater tots, French fries, chicken nuggets, stuff like that. Comes out much nicer than the microwave, crispy every single time. Really like this thing. It has a heating element on the top and the bottom, which is really handy for crisping things up, like pizza when you're baking it, things like that. Fries come out amazing. I am not adding oil to anything here, and everything comes out crispy. And as I said, very easy to wash. You really don't even need to scrub it. It's non-stick, so everything just sort of comes off. I do not believe it is dishwasher safe. So after trying this very thoroughly, I have to say it's the best of the air fryers that I've owned. Huge room in it, works great, ton of options, and really a nice, pleasant looking appliance on your countertop.